Guten Tag. Today we are going to discuss Module 1, Lektion 1. Hallo. So class 6. So the chapter is Hallo. We start with first one. So it's a Arbeits book. So we start with the first question. It's a Schau die Fotos an und antworte auf die Frage. So this one. Yeah. So, schau die Fotos an und antworte auf die Frage. So here we have the picture. It may be possible you have different name or different pictures, yeah, but the pattern will be same, yeah. So the first one is the question is Bist du Karin? So it's a Ja Nein Frage. So we know that there are different types of questions like Wer Frage and then Ja Nein Frage. Okay, Wer Frage is the questions which start with W words, and Ja Nein Frage are the questions which start with verbs. Okay, and answer always start with yes or no. So Ja oder Nein. Okay, so here Bist du Karin? So this question start with verb. So it's a bist. So bist du Karin? Then answer is Ja, ich bin Karin, because it's written here Karin. Then second one is a Tobias. Then heißt du Klaus? Then nein, ich heiße Tobias. So yeah, they ask like heißt du Klaus? So but here it's his name is Tobias. So he says nein, ich heiße Tobias. Okay, then we move to the next one. Then next one Eva. Okay, so Eva. So then question is here, where bist du? So this one is a Wer Frage. Okay, the question start with W word. So where bist du? Who are you? Ich bin Eva. Then Hans. Wie heißt du Hans? Wie heißt du Hans? So it's like that. Wie heißt du Hans? Then ja, ich heiße Hans. Okay, so here it's a ja just because they are confirming this one. So like wie heißt du Hans? Then he says ja, ich heiße Hans. Okay, so only in this condition we will start the answer with ja or nein, because here they have given the answer also. Okay, then next one Martina. Then bist du Nina? Then she says nein, ich bin Martina. Okay, so no, I am Martina. Then Brigitte. Bist du Brigitte? Then nein, ich bin Brigitte. Okay, then we move to the next page. Okay, so next one. So number 2, question number 2. So here we have to fill up heiße oder heißt. Okay, so we know that we use with ich heiße, and with du we use heißt. So wherever we will find du, then we will write this one heißt, and then ich, then heiße. So heißt du Daniel? Then ja, ich heiße Daniel. Und wie heißt du? Then ich heiße Klaus. Okay, so it's a verb conjugation, so we have to learn it. Then next one, Nummer 3. Schreib die Sätze neu. Sätze, Satzzeichen, achte auf Großbuchstaben. That means write down the sentences once again, and then careful about the Zeichen. Zeichen is a like symbol. Okay, so the sentence symbol we can say like a full stop or question mark. Then achte auf die Großbuchstaben, and also careful about the capital letters and small letters. So here it's written here like Hallo, ich bin Simone, wer bist du? Okay, so Hallo and then exclamatory marks. So Anrufungszeichen, we call it in German Anrufungszeichen. So Hallo, then Anrufungszeichen, then ich bin Simone. Okay, then sentence start with capital I. Okay, so ich bin Simone, then full stop. Then where bist du, and then question mark. Then number 2, bist du Marion? Then nein, ich bin Karin. So we start with question with capital. So B, the first word should be capital. So B, the first letter should be capital. So bist du, so B is capital here. Bist du Marion, and then question mark. Then nein, okay, comma, ich bin Karin, then full stop. Yeah. Then number 3, heißt du Petra? Then ja, ich heiße Petra. Then the first letter should be capital, so H capital. Heißt du Petra? It's a question, then question mark. So Fragezeichen, we call it Fragezeichen. Then answer is ja, then comma. Comma is comma. Then ich heiße. So after comma we use small letter. So that's why here I is small. So ja, ich heiße Petra. Okay, then Punkt. Punkt is a full stop. Then number 4. So grüß dich. Ich heiße Hans. Wie heißt du? So grüß dich is a way of greeting. So G capital, yeah. Grüß dich. Anrufungszeichen, that means exclamatory marks. Then ich, I capital. Ich heiße Hans. Okay. Nouns are always written with the capital letters. Okay. So Hans, H capital, then full stop. So Punkt. Wie heißt du? Then Fragezeichen. Okay. Then Nummer 5. Hallo. So hallo Hanna. Wie geht's? Then gut, danke und dir. So hallo Hanna. Anrufungszeichen. Wie geht's? Okay. Then question mark, full Fragezeichen. Then here start the answer. So gut, comma, danke. Then und dir, and here it should be question mark. Yeah, und dir. So und dir, question mark. So it's still here full stop, but okay, we have to write down here question mark. Okay, because like he is asked like hello Hannah. So hello Hannah, hello Hannah. So wie geht's? How are you? Then she replies, good. So fine, thank you. And you? So and you, she is asking, and you? So how are you? Then it must be question mark. Then we move to the next one, Nummer 4. So 4, was passt zusammen? So we have here 3 pictures, and then in the box we have 3 words. So like guten Morgen, guten Abend, guten Tag, guten Morgen. So here, according to the picture, we will write down like this: guten Morgen, guten Tag, and then guten Abend. Yeah. Then we move to the next one. Okay, so Nummer 5. So Zahlen. Ergänze EI oder IE. So we have to fill up here IE or EI. Yeah, so spelling. So first one is we call it 1. So eins, EI. Then 3, DREI. Then 4, so 4, IE. Then 7, so IE. Then 2, EI. Yeah. Then number 6, so 6. Wie viel ist das? That means how much is it is. Plus means plus, minus is a minus, mal is a multiplication. Yeah. So 4 plus 9, it's a 13, 13. 11 minus 8, 3. 13 minus 2, 11. 7 plus 8, 15. 7 mal 6, so 2 times 6, so 12. 4 plus 16, so 4 plus 16, 20. 3 mal 6, so 3 times 6, so 18. Then 17 minus 7, so 10. It can be possible you have different numbers here, so just go through the calculation and then write it down the numbers here in words. Okay. Then next one, Nummer 7. So just we have to fill up here bin oder bist. So we know that we use bin always with ish and bist always with du. So ish and then du. So here it's a du, so bist. So where bist du, then bist du Stefan, then 9 ish, then bin, ich bin Hans, ich, then bin, ich bin Klaus, then ich bin Solf. Wie alt bist du, because du, then bist, ich, then bin, so ich bin 13, then du, so bist du 13, then 9, ich bin 12. In this way. Okay. So then we move to the next one, Nummer 8. So Schreibdialog. Okay, so Schreibdialog. Schreiben is to write down. So write down the dialogues. We have to write down here dialogues. So here the pictures is given, and then some informations are also given, like a picture and then name and then number. This number is a age, their age. So it's a kind of dialogue. So these two persons are talking. Yeah. So they're having the conversation. So Christian 13 and then Monica 12. Okay, so 12. So Beispiel means example. So example is given there. We have to just follow this example to complete this exercise. So ich bin Christian. Wer bist du? So I am Christian. Who are you? Then she says ich bin Monica. So first, then second. Then wer bist du, Monica? Then she says Ich bin 12. It's written here 12. So ich bin 12. Und du, Christian? So he says ich bin 13. Okay, in the similar way, we have the next one, Max 14. Then Anita 15. Then he's starting. So ich bin Max. Wer bist du? In the same way. And she says ich bin Anita. Okay, yeah, in the same way. Then he says wie bist du, Anita? Then ich bin 15. It's written here. Und du, Max? He says ich bin 14. Okay, then we move to the next one. Okay, so again we have two persons. So George, so we can say George or Jörg. Okay, so Jörg 15. Then Eva or Eva 13. Yeah, so ich bin Jörg. Wer bist du? Ich bin Eva. Wie alt bist du, Eva? Ich bin 13. Und du, Jörg? Ich bin 15. Okay, so it's clear. Then we move to the next page. Okay, here it's verbinde die zwei Teile. Verbinde is to connect. Yeah, so connect these two parts. Okay, Teile is a part, so zwei is a two. So just we have to connect these two parts. That means we can say like match the followings. Yeah, so Grüß, yeah, Dish. You just remember it. Grüß dich, guten Tag, auf Wiedersehen, danke, gut, wie geht's? So wie geht's, then answer is danke, gut. Yeah, or gut, danke. Then just we have to memorize this one. Then number 10. Du triffst einen Freund oder eine Freundin. Was sagst du? That means you met a friend or a friend, a girlfriend. Was sagst du? What do you say? So Freundin is a friend who is girl. Okay. Then so here we have the words. So grüß dich, tschüss, auf Wiedersehen, hallo. Okay, so we start with hallo, then we can reply like grüß dich, then wie geht's, then danke, gut. Yeah. Then number 11. Okay, Schreibsätze. We have to write down the sentences. The words are given there. We have to write down the sentence with the help of these words. Okay, so ich zum Beispiel heiße Martin, then ich. So it's a ich heiße Martin, full stop. Then du wer bist. So we know that the sentence wer bist du, and then question mark. Then bin Klaus ich. So we know that also ich bin Klaus. We have done such kind of sentences in last exercises. Then number 4. So 4. Bist alt wie du. So wie alt bist du. Then it should be question mark. It must be question mark actually. Yeah. So here we have to write down the question mark. Yeah. So not full stop. Then 5. Bin ich 12. Then ich bin 12 and then full stop. Okay. Then we move to the next one, number 12. Okay. So this is the last exercise for this chapter. Okay, so we are not going to do the song one. Okay, then richtig schreiben ergänze. So we have to write down correct. Yeah, so we have options like W oder V. So W is a W, V is a V. Yeah, so W oder V, E oder I, then S oder Z, S oder Z. Yeah, S Z, then A oder A. Yeah, so like wir, it's not okay. W, so wir, then vier, then wer, WR, where means who. Then Wiedersehen. So Wiedersehen for the spelling is W-I-E. Yeah. Then wie, like wie heißen Sie or wie heißt du. Then sieben, I-E, sieben for sieben. Then singen, S-I-N-G-N, singen is to sing. Then spielen, S-P-I-E-L-E-N. Yeah. So Spiel, basically this one is a Spiel, so game. Yeah. Spiel, S-P-I-E-L. Yeah. Then S oder Z. So 10. So we start with Z. So set. Then 20 again set. Then 6 with S. Then du bist, so S. Then du heißt, S set. Grüß, S set here. Okay. So grüß dich. Then tschüss. Okay, nur S. So only S. Then A oder A. So their Name. So N-A-M-E. So N-A-M-A. So Name. Then die Zahl. Okay, Zahl is number. So die Zahl. Set A-H-L. So set A-H-L. Zahl. Yeah. So we finished with the chapter 1. Okay. And then in the next video we will do the chapter 2. Okay. Then auf Wiedersehen.